Good morning. We're on the record. Good morning. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, and in accordance with DC Code Section 2571 et seq. of the Open Meetings Act (OMA), I'm welcoming you to the regular scheduled meeting of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board. This meeting is being conducted pursuant to guidance made available by the District of Columbia's Office of Open Government regarding electronic meetings held by public bodies. Electronic meetings by the ABC Board are authorized pursuant to Section 2577A of the DC Code. Pursuant to the OMA requirements, notice of today's meeting was provided 48 hours in advance of the meeting on ABCA's website and on the District Central meeting calendar. The notice included the time, date, agenda, and call-in or login information for public participation. This electronic meeting is being hosted by a WebEx account provided by the District of Columbia government. Please address any questions or complaints to the OOG at opengovoffice@dc.gov. My name is Donovan Anderson. I'm chairperson of the board. I would like to introduce the other members of the ABC board who are also participating electronically. Please respond when I announce your names. Mr. Silas Grant,
Mr. Silas Grant, present.
Ms. Terry Janine Quinn,
Terry Janine Quinn, present.
Mr. David Meadows,
Good morning, Mr. David Meadows, present.
Mr. Ryan Jones.
Mr. Ryan Jones, present.
The board has 5 members in attendance for the conduct of business today, and that constitutes a quorum. Before we get underway with today's hearing calendar, I need to make a few instructions very clear so that the conduct of these hearings is understood by everyone. There are 10 cases on our calendar for the day. Once your case is called, I will take a moment for our IT specialists to elevate the rights for each party to enable their camera and microphone. And then and only then will you have the ability to enable your equipment. If your case has not been heard, you will remain mute and your camera will be disabled. At the conclusion of each case, the parties will have the option to leave. If the party chooses to stay, all cameras and microphones for the concluded case will be disabled. Should you have any questions or require technical assistance during the hearing, please submit them using the question and answer feature. Our first case this morning on our calendar is case number 24 CMP 00046 Vagabond, license number 120426. Good morning, Mr. Oriana. Can you please elevate the rights of the parties in this case?
Good morning. Cameron Mixon, your access has been elevated. Colin Senchi, your access has been elevated. That is all, Chairman.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Senchi. Can you please spell and state your name for the record?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Colin Shenchi, COLLINCENCI, Assistant Attorney General with the Office of the Attorney General for the District of Columbia, representing the district today.
Good morning, sir. Mr. Mixon.
Cameron Mixon with the Veritas Law Firm. Cameron, CAMERON, Mixon, MIXON, counsel for the respondent.
Good morning, Mr. Mixon. All right, good morning. Are there any preliminary matters in this case?
I just want to confirm with Mr. Mixon that he has received the offer and compromise email from the assigned attorney.
I have. Thank you.
All right, then no other preliminary matters.
All right, thank you. All right, if this matter is not settled, it's scheduled for a show cause hearing on May 14th at 1:30 p.m. Just want to remind the parties that 7 days prior to the hearing, the parties are required to disclose documents and witnesses that will be relied upon at the hearing. Failure by either side to disclose documents and witnesses 7 days prior to the hearing, the board is empowered to prevent that side from relying on documents that have not been disclosed 7 days prior to the hearing. Any questions?
Not from the government.
None for
Mr.
respondent.
Mixon. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
All right. The next case on our calendar is case number 24 CIT 00588 Thai Love DC, license number 126087. Mr. Oriana, can you please elevate the licensee in this case?
No licensee, Chair.
Thank you. Mr. Chenchi, can you please identify yourself for the record?
Colin Chenchi with the Office of the Attorney General representing the district.
Good morning, sir. At show cause hearing status, the licensee there's no requirement for the licensee to be present today. This matter then is scheduled for a show cause hearing on May 14th at 10:30 a.m. Just want to advise the parties that 7 days before the hearing, the parties are required to disclose documents and witnesses that they will rely upon at the hearing. Failure by either side to disclose documents and witnesses that they will rely on the hearing, the board is empowered to prevent that side from relying on these disclosures. Thank you for your presentation, Mr. Chenchi. In this case, and I believe that is your day is over, sir.
I believe we have one more, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, the next case on my calendar is case number 2425100042, Kick Axe Throw Social, license number 116454. This case is canceled because an offer in compromise has been provided to the board for its review and refusal and for an approval. The next case on our calendar is case number 2425100035, Power Nightclub Lounge Restaurant, license number 104228. This hearing is canceled. The parties entered into an offer in compromise on March 26, 25. See Board Order number 2025-158. The next case in our calendar is case number 24 CMP 00067, Blue Moon, license number 118303. This case has been canceled and an offer in compromise has been provided to the board for its approval. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 ULC 00001, Happy Bud. This is an unlicensed cannabis retailer. This hearing has been rescheduled till May 14th, 2025 at 10:30 a.m. I think that the government disappeared from my screen while I wasn't paying attention, but that concludes our morning calendar. I will now review our afternoon calendar. The first case on our afternoon calendar is case number 23 CMP 00078. It's Caesar's Sportsbook, license number 117580. This case has been canceled and offer in compromise has been provided to the board for its review and consideration. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00004, the consortium, license number 130329. This case has been canceled to give the parties a further opportunity for mediation. The next case on our calendar is another protest here in case number 24 PRO 00105, Edgewood International Wine and Spirits, license number 95032. This matter has been rescheduled to April 30th at 1:30 p.m. The next case in our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00003, Georgetown Wellness Dispensary, license number 128852. This hearing has been canceled due to the submission of submission of a settlement agreement for the board's review and approval. And that is the board's calendar for the day. Since I have now disposed of the calendar, so let's now do the legal agenda for today. The first matter on our legal agenda, it's a review of a settlement agreement. This is between ANC 7B and Capital Square Bar and Grill at Skyland, license number 130038. I make a motion that the that the settlement agreement be approved. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 2, review of settlement agreement. This is for Queen's English, and this is between Queen's English and ANC 1A. The license number is 113210. I make a motion that we approve the settlement agreement. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones. I
Mr.
cannot hear you,
Jones,
Mr.
I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter pass 5-0. Number 3, review of an offer in compromise. This is for Kick Axe Throw Social, Throw Social, license number, and this is case number 24-251-00042, and the license number is 116454. The offer in compromise is as follows. Charge 1, allow the establishment to be used for unlawful purpose. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25A2382. There's a $2,000 fine payable within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. Charge 2, fail to provide video footage within 48 hours. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25823A5E. There's a $2,000 fine payable within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 4, review of a settlement agreement. This is Cinco Soles, license number 113277. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter pass 5-0. We now move to our legal agenda alcohol addendum. The first matter on this agenda, it's a review of an offer in compromise. This is for 7th L Street Market. This is regarding case number 24 CMP 00055. The license number is 088611. And the offer in compromise is as follows. Charge 1, no ABC manager or owner on the premises. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25701. There's a $250 fine paid within 60 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. Charge 2, fail to follow settlement agreement. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25823A6. This charge has been defined. This matter has been dismissed since they were already charged under charge 3. Charge 3, operated outside of approved hours. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25762B13. There's a $1,000 fine payable within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
I'm sorry. Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. The next case on our agenda, it's the review of an offer in compromise. This is for Caesars Sportsbook. This is regarding case number 23 CMP 00078. The license number is 117580. And the offers in compromise is as follows. Charge 1, sale to minor. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25781. A warning will be issued for charge 1. Charge 2, fail to ascertain legal drinking age. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25783. A warning will also be issued for charge 2. Charge 3, allowed opened containers to be removed from the premises. Statutory authority 25113A2AII. The board will issue a warning for charge 3. Charge 4, operated a sidewalk cafe without the endorsement. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25113-01C. There is a $1,000 fine payable within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. Charge 5, allowed a third party to control the establishment's authority. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25797B. This charge is being dismissed. Charge 6, interfered in an ABCA investigation by providing false or misleading information. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25823A5C. There's a $1,000 fine payable within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 3, addendum to settlement agreement. This is for Federal Center Hotel Association, LLC, trade name Holiday Inn Capital. The license number is 120122. I make a motion that we approve the settlement agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 4, amendment to settlement agreement. This is for Intercontinental Washington, D.C. License number 114491. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 5, review of an offer in compromise. Blue Moon. This is for case number 24 CMP 00067. ABRA license 118303. And the offer in compromise is as follows. Charge 1, operated outside of approved hours. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25762B13. There's a $1,000 fine payable within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our legal agenda, medical cannabis. The first matter on this agenda is a review of an offer in compromise. This is for Hidden Gem LLC. This is for case number 24 ULC 00059, and the all right, so the first, I'm sorry. The offer in compromise for this case, this is with the licensee. The amended OSC terms are follows. Number one, respondent shall cease operating as an unlicensed cannabis retailer selling cannabis and cannabis products in the District of Columbia, or take any other actions that violate DC Code Section 7-1671.08. Number two, respondent has provided proof that it is no longer leasing the premises and has vacated the premises as evidenced by Exhibit A and B attached. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number two, review of an offer in compromise is the landlord. This is for Hidden Gym LLC. This is for case number 24 ULC 00059. The offer in compromise is as follows. Number one, landlord affirms that Hidden Gym has permanently vacated the premises. Number two, landlord affirms that it has either one, received affirmative confirmation from the Hidden Gym that it acknowledges the termination of its lease and has vacated the premises, or two, has evicted Hidden Gym from the premises as evidenced by Exhibit A and B attached. Number three, landlord acknowledges that it is responsible for returning any property owned by Hidden Gym that remains in the premises in the premises and over which Hidden Gym has a legal right of return. Number four, landlord agrees to not lease the premises to any unlicensed cannabis distributors at any time in the future. Number five, landlord agrees to notify ABCA when it has leased the premises to a new tenant and to provide the tenant's name and contact information. Number six, ABCA shall make the keys to the premises available to landlord for pickup at its office or at another mutually agreed upon date, time, and location. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number three, review of an offer in compromise as a landlord. This is for Pride Smoke Shop. This is for case number 24 ULC 00005. The offer in compromise is as follows. The landlord affirms that the unlicensed establishment has permanently vacated the premises as evidenced by Exhibit A attached. Number two, landlord acknowledges that it is responsible for returning any property owned by the unlicensed establishment that remains in the premises and over which the unlicensed establishment has a legal right of return. Number three, landlord agrees to not lease the premises to any unlicensed cannabis distributors at any time in the future. Number four, landlord agrees to notify ABCA when it has leased the premises to a new tenant and to provide all identifying information regarding the new tenant, including the name of the business and owner. Number five, ABCA shall make the keys to the premises available to the landlord for pickup at its offices or at another mutually agreed upon time and location. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our licensing agenda. There are seven matters on our licensing the licensing agenda. I will review all seven with the recommendations, and at the end, I will ask that the ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations put forth by the chair. Number one, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Skylark Lounge, license number 090611. I make a motion, the motion would be to approve through September 30th, 2025. Number two, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Sangria Cafe, license number 090781, recommendation approval through September 30th, 25. Number three, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Karen, Keren restaurant, license number 088512, recommendation approval through September 30th, 2025. Number four, review application extend safekeeping of license. This is for Joe Kaplan Liquors, license number 060351, recommendation to approve through September 30th, 2025. Number five, review request to extend safekeeping to expand the premises total occupancy load from 120 to 205. This is for Lucky Bar, license number 020234. Recommendation placard number 6, review application for change of hours inside premises. This is for 60 Vines, license number 127548, recommendation placard. Number 7, review application for the carryout and delivery endorsement. This is for Tigos, license number 130994, recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that the ABC board approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair for the alcohol licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 5-0. We now move to our cancellation agenda. The ABC board will be canceling the following licenses for the reasons outlined below. There are 10 licenses. I'll review all 10, and I'll make a motion that the ABC board cancels these licenses. So number 1, Tom's Watch Bar, license number 119403, the safekeeping license requested cancellation. Number 2, Doki Doki Barbecue, BBQ, license number 126717, the licensee requests cancellation. Number 3, Moon Sports Bar, license number 124475, the licensee requests cancellation. Number 4, Radici, license number 093739, safekeeping, licensee requested cancellation. Number 5, La Vie, license number 122202, the licensee requested cancellation. Number 6, Mayflower Chinese Restaurant, license number 124211, licensee requested cancellation. Number 7, The Runaway, license number 119275, the licensee is out of business. Number 8, Baby Whale, license number 090863, 3, the licensee is out of business. Number 9, Law Society, license number 083420, the licensee is out of business. And number 10, Corduroy, license number 078003, the licensee is out of business. I therefore make a motion that ABC Board cancels the licenses that were just read in the record by the chair. Is there a second?
Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quint,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter pass 5-0. We now move to the board's temporary one-day and substantial change docket. There are 15 applicants on this agenda. I will review the names of all 15. I'll give recommendations, and at the end, I will ask the ABC board members to approve the recommendations for these applications. Number 1, there was a request from Lana L. Zine for one-day license class F. This was a concert live music performance. The license number is 131879 at 100 attendees, and the event was April 1st. So I'll ask for that the board retroactively approve the issuance of this license. Number 2, another request from Lana L. Zin for one-day license class F, concert live music performance. This is on April 3rd. The license number is 131880, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 3, a request from Lana L. Zin, one-day license class F, concert live music performance, April 5th. The license number is 131881, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 4, another request from Lana Elzin, one-day license class F, concert live music performance, April 10th. License number is 131882, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 5, another request from Lana Elzin, one-day license class F, concert live music performance. This is on April 12th. The license number is 131884, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 6, another request from Lana LC, one-day license class F, concert live music performance, April 30th. The license number is 131885, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 7, request from Valerie Settles, one-day license class F, wine festival, April 26th. The license number is 131927, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 8, a request from Nicholas Alberti, one-day license class F, 70th birthday, April 10th. License number 131929, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 9, a request from Lana Elzine, one-day license class G, concert live music performance, license number 131873, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 10, a request from Lana Elzine, one-day license class G, concert live music performance, event date April 23rd. The license number is 131874, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation and approval. Number 11, Lana Elzine, one-day license class G, concert live music performance, April 29th. The license number 131875, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 10, request from Patrick D. Batista, a one-day license class G, dancing for DC Rawhide, April 12th. The license number is 131940, 200 attendees, 4 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 13, request from Patrick D. Batista, one-day license class G, dancing for DC Rawhides, April 25th. The license number is 131941, 200 attendees, 4 security guards, approval. Number 14, a request from Christine Semenak, Semeniak, one-day license class G, a reception, but Saco Strategies, April 3rd. License number is 131905, 150 attendees, 3 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 15, request from Joseph Raganos, Ragonese, 1-day license class G, soft opening for bar and G license. This is from April 4th through April 8th. The license number is 131843. 80 attendees, 2 security guards. I therefore make a motion that the ABC board approves the recommendation as put forth by the chair for the licensing board's temporary 1-day licenses and substantial change docket. Is there a second?
Mr. Chair, Mr. Meadows, I second the motion.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to the alcohol administrative docket for April 2nd. On this docket, there are 25 applicants. And for the first 25 applications on this docket, I make a motion that we approve the issuance of the license. However, for number 25, which is Solar Entertainment 2, trade name M Street Lounge, license number 131723, the recommendation for this specific, for number 25, is that the board convene a qualifications hearing for number 25. So I therefore make a motion that ABC board approves number 1 through 24 on this agenda without an objection, and for number 25 that the board convene a qualifications hearing for number 25, which is 1831 M Street Lounge. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 5-0. We now move to the medical cannabis licensing agenda. There are 7 applicants on this agenda. I will review all 7, and I will give a recommendation. At the end of the list, I'll make a motion that the ABC board members approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair. So number 1, conditional review of standard application for conditional retail license. This is for cannabis culture. License number 130769, recommendation approval. Number 2, review of request to convert standard application to a conditional retailer license application. This is for Exotica DMV, license number 129392, recommendation approval. Number 3, standard with location. Number 3, review of standard application for new retailer license with delivery endorsement. Clinical Health and Wellness, license number 130766, recommendation placard. Social Equity with location number 4, review of social equity application for Cultivation Center. This is for District Canacopia LLC. The license number is 126589, recommendation approval. Number 5, review request for new package and label. This is for the Crank Corner, license number 127573, recommendation approval. Number 6, ad delivery endorsement to social equity application for retail license. This is for Violet City, license number 128732. Replacard with delivery endorsement. That's the recommendation. Number 7, review request to refund of licensing fee. This is the Grove Shop, license number 127594. Recommendation denial. I therefore make a motion that ABC Board approves the recommendations made by the chair for the medical cannabis licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our last agenda item. Alan, the last agenda today, and this is a medical cannabis licensing administrative docket. There are 4 applicants on this docket, and so without objection, I make a motion that ABC Board approves the medical cannabis license administrative docket for April 2nd, 2025. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll now have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. And the board has added. We're now at the end of our agenda items for the day. And if there are no further business, I will close the record for the day. All right. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, and in accordance with Title III, Chapter 405, Office of Open Government, I move that ABC Board hold a closed meeting on April 9th for the purpose of discussing and hearing reports concerning ongoing or planned investigations of alleged criminal or civil misconduct or violations of law or regulations, and seeking legal advice from our legal counsel on the board's administrative agenda, legal agenda, and licensing agenda for April 9th, as published in the DC Register on April 4th. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn has seconded the motion. We'll now have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. As the motion has passed 5-0, I hereby give notice that ABC Board will hold this closed meeting. Pursuant to the Open Meetings Act, notice will also be posted on the ABC Board Hearing Room Bulletin Board, placed on the electronic calendar on ABCA's website, and published in the DC Register in as timely a manner as practical. The board is now adjourned for the day. I would like to thank all board members who participated in our hearings today. Thank you for your participation. Have a great day. I now direct all board members to return to executive session for further action. Good morning. Thank you.